Take this 4-pack?
Yep, take the 4. Alright, 2, 1 more. What's up? So we actually just wrapped up the hunt. We limited today with 3 guys, and the first day of the 3-bird limit, so we got 9 geese today. It was an awesome hunt. They did it so dirty, and they all wanted it, and they're right at our feet. So, I mean, it was pretty good footage, mostly on the GoPro because we wanted to get our birds pretty fast. But got the birds right there. Gonna clean them up and take care of them, and hopefully enjoy it.
Any more up?
Kill him.
Oh boy, not very fast.
Did you get up or no?
Huh?
Did you get up or no?
I just started to sit up. I didn't know when. Do we want to wait on the other one?
Kill him there.
Oh, I fucking screamed that one. Oh shit, I didn't see those down there.
That one's going down.
He's hit.
Yeah. Oh, maybe
more coming.
He's...
Oh, never mind.
There, here comes some more.
Yeah.
No, that's 6.
Well, the big groups decided to get up.
56? I'm sure. Unless that one gets up down there. Take this 4-pack?
Yep, take the 4. Alright, 2, 1 more. 1 more. Alright. Nice.
Sorry, I got failed on that last one.
That's fine. Well, got 1 more bird for the limit, I guess. I'm limited.
Yeah.
I've definitely shot 3.
One of us is supposed to be loaded now.
Yeah. Well, I'll film now. That was kind of cool.
And these, they're getting over way too far.
Oh yeah.
I didn't want to shoot.
Is there more?
He's right over top. He's locked up.
Oh yeah.
Take whichever one you want. There's a solar right over our house. Well,
Right there, right there. Nice shot.
Where did these come from?
I have no clue. Well, quick little 3-man. Man, this is fun.
There's a lot of birds down there.
You think so?
Yeah. How many are sitting up there? 5, 4, 6.